When Radha Kund is, of course, centered around Radha, the Kund of Radharani and the Kund of Krishna. But around Radha Kund, on the banks, there's the kunjas. There's infinite number. The Radha Kund and Shama Kund are one. I mean, there's two kunds. But around Radha Kund, there's the Astasaki kunjas. Then there's the Upasaki kunjas. And then there's the more their sakis. It says that the kunjas, there's unlimited numbers of kunjas. 8, and then 16, then 32, then 64, then 128, then whatever that is, and then goes on and on and on. So that's an infinite expansion of Radha Kund and the kunjas around it. Kund and kunjas. And Shama Kund is the same way. Kund and kunjas. So there's unlimited numbers. Just like in the rasa dance. The Skanda Puran, Padma Puran says in the Maharasa dance of Bhagavatam, there are 3 billion gopis. The 3 billion gopis, that the whole Braj Mandal would be full of gopis. But they were only there at the Yamuna Palin. So how's it possible? Because the holy Dham can expand, and it's the Dham. Dham is unlimited, eternal and unlimited. There's no limitation. Krishna can't be limited, Dham can't be limited, Nam can't be limited, nothing, devotee Vaishnava can't be limited. So Sarvadeva Maya Guru. Krishna is telling 11th canto of Bhagavatam, Acharya Mam Vijanayan, Sarvam Manya Karichit. He says, Sarvadeva Maya Guru. He says, all the devas, there's 33 crores of devas. There's 33 crores of, we say, demigods, devas, and they're all in the Guru. Wait a minute. It's like, I'm one person, but inside of me are 33 million demigods. Yeah, look and open my mouth. See, look, open my mouth. So then Krishna, he's on the Kurukshetra, and he opened his mouth. And what did Arjuna see? He saw everything, 33 million demigods. Virata Rup. He saw Virata Rup, Virata Rup Darshan. So this is the Guru is the same thing, Sarvadeva Maya Guru. But it looks like human form, looks so limited.